Assemblymember Kenny Burgos hosts the first annual Starlight Park Festival to celebrate the revitalization of the Bronx River ecosystem. The festival included fresh produce from the Hunts Point Market, games for family and friends, and a walk-in tour about the rain gardens in Starlight Park.
First and foremost, we want to be eco-friendly. We want to make sure we're utilizing the water that's actually coming from the earth. If you want to garden your plants, if you want to wash your cars, but on top of that, also save some money, right? Because we know bills have gone up, Con Ed bills have gone up, rent is up. So let's give people a way to just save some money on their water bill and recollect the water we get free.
Starlight Park has been in restoration for nearly 20 years and has finally seen some results.
Starlight Park has been a work in progress for almost 20 years, and we just unveiled the second portion of it, $41 million. And we work with the Bronx River Lions very often, so we said let's bring the constituents not only to the park, but also have a collaboration event, giving out rain barrels, help homeowners, help tenants around our district.
The Bronx River Alliance is always looking for new recruits to help keep the Bronx River clean and healthy. To find out how you can be a help, visit www.bronxriver.org. For BronxNet, this is Kairi Moody.